How you doing, guys? Back again, another video. This time doing chains on a V Commodore for a mate of mine. That it come in, fucking horrible rattle. Fucking, I just fitted the chain just then. What happened on this? The tensioner for the left-hand bank failed, and basically rattling its head off. I stripped it down, had a look, pushed the tension by hand, and knew it was fucked straight away. So I'm starting to set the timing, as you see. Right, I don't bother what marking them in. They got enough marks on them. That one, that one, oh, that one. If you can see it, kinda. That's lined up. That one. Should be a fucking hole there somewhere. If I can see it. You got that one there. And you got that one there. So yeah, just quick timing video. Every time it anyway. But if you don't have these cam shot alignment tools, it's quite a pain in the ass. And these are cheap stuff to later. I think they're like $100 or something. Definitely makes your job a lot easier, and you don't really have to think about it. Even helps if you got a book to give you the spec sheet and that sort of stuff. But you know, hey, I don't pay for it. Spec set. If you need it, you got it. It's Paul's video. But yeah, that's that. Clean the cover up, put the cover back on, and night. It's only 7:30, but it's finished 12-hour shift, so, and I still got to do work on my alley-oop. So a bit more to go. I'm off for the week, so I'll get a bit more videos out. But it's quite hot in this workshop. Anyway, peace out. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.